Tagging activities for Avenue.ca ePortfolio auto collection. The ePortfolio can automatically collect artifacts from some activities in the Avenue classroom or learning management system. After a teacher links a course activity to the ePortfolio by tagging it, an artifact is generated and automatically added to the learner's ePortfolios. Please note, there are presently two ways to tag artifacts. The first is by using the ePortfolio artifact settings method. This is recommended. And the second is by using the tags method. The tags method will be phased out in the future. It is recommended that instructors use the ePortfolio artifact settings method for all new activities. Activity types supporting auto collection. Only certain activity types support auto collection. These activities were selected because they are commonly used for assessments. Support for more activity types may be added in the future. The activities that support automatic ePortfolio collection are assignment. The assignment activity auto-collects the assignment description, file submissions, online text, Poodle voice recordings, teacher grade and feedback, and rubrics. Quiz. The quiz activity auto-collects the quiz description, student attempts, and the teacher feedback. Regrading will recollect the quiz attempt. Forum. The forum activity auto-collects the forum description and student posts and replies. Supported forum types are each person posts one discussion, Q&A forum, standard forum displayed in a blog-like format, and the standard forum for general use. Not supported for auto collection, single simple discussion. H5P. The H5P activity auto-collects score, time, status, and the first slide image. SCORM. The SCORM activity auto-collects the SCORM description, score, time, status, and the first activity image. Questionnaire. The questionnaire activity auto-collects the questionnaire description and the student submissions. Feedback. The feedback activity auto-collects the feedback description and student submissions. Add ePortfolio artifact settings. Define artifact settings before learners attempt activities. When the artifact moves to the ePortfolio, these settings transfer as well. This saves instructors the work of inputting these details for each learner after the task completion. At the top of the course homepage, click on the Edit Mode toggle button in the upper right corner of the screen to activate the editing tools. Note that the toggle moves to the right, indicating that course editing is now on. Create or edit one of the auto-collectible activities. Go to the Settings page for the activity. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click ePortfolio Artifact Settings to expand that section. Select the Add to ePortfolio checkbox. In the Artifact Type section, choose one of the following: Other, or Skill using task or assessment. If you choose Other, in the Skill drop-down, choose the skill. Click the Save and Return to Course button. If you choose Skill using task or assessment, additional options will be displayed. Choose a skill. Choose a CLB level. The Can-Do statements, CLB level options expand. choose a can-do statement. Click the Save and Return to Course button. The activity has had ePortfolio artifact settings added to it. Tagging activities for auto collection. Please note, there are presently two ways to tag artifacts. The first is by using the ePortfolio artifact settings method. This is recommended. And the second is by using the tags method. The tags method will be phased out in the future. It is recommended that instructors use the ePortfolio artifact settings method for all new activities. To tag the activities mentioned for ePortfolio collection, follow these steps. Create or edit one of the activity types that support auto collection. On the Settings page in the activity, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Tags to expand that section. In the expanded Tag section, click on the Enter Tags drop-down menu. Select ePortfolio from the drop-down menu. The tag is added and appears above the text box. A second tag must be selected to identify the type of artifact being collected. Choose one. Reading, writing, speaking, or listening, other, or about me can also be used. Do not add a third tag as it will be ignored by the auto collection. Click on the Enter Tags drop-down and select a second tag. For example, writing. The tag is added and appears above the text box. Clicking X will delete the tag if needed. The activity has been properly tagged and can be saved.